You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words correctly. And the correct pronunciation in English is, roll the drums, Gerrymander. Yes, it was named after Governor of Massachusetts, Elbridge Gerry, named Gerry. Now, it is accepted and listed in all dictionaries that the correct pronunciation in English is gerrymander. So it's not incorrect to say gerrymander. Both pronunciations are indeed correct. Gerrymander, or gerrymander as the Americans say, or gerrymander. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.